Hello children, I'm Teacher Mike. Welcome to our MAPEH class. For today's lesson, we will discuss the following topics. In music, identify notes and rest. In arts, introduction to digital arts. While in PE, Philippine Physical Activity Pyramid. Lastly, in health, personal health issues and concerns. Our topic in music is about notes and rest. Now, let's define what is notes. Notes in music represents the sounds, while rest in music represents silence. Let's study the chart below. On the first column, we have whole note, whole rest, and their equivalent beats is 4. On the second column, we have half note, half rest, and their equivalent beats is 2. On the third column, we have quarter note, quarter rest, and their equivalent beat is 1. On the fourth column, we have 8 note, 8 rest, and the equivalent beat is 1/2. On the fifth column, we have 16th note, 16th rest, and the equivalent beat is 1/4. Let us remember, number 1, note has sound and beat. Number 2, rest has no sound but has a beat. Number 3, note and rest has the same value or beat. Our topic in arts is about digital arts. Digital art is an artistic work or practice using digital technologies as essential part of creation or presentation. Nowadays, art processes like drawing, painting, printmaking, and sculpture can be done through digital devices such as cell phone, tablet, and computers installed with software. Software is a program and other operating information used by computers. Example of softwares are Inkscape, MS Paint, Adobe Photoshop, and Corel Draw. Visual artists are professional individuals that uses digital art. Visual artists are the following: graphic designers, photographers, cinematographers, and animators. Commercial arts are used in advertising. It was designed using technology. Examples of commercial arts are poster, book cover, company logo, food packaging, and cartoon character. Let's remember, software are programs in a computer that is used for digital arts. Visual artist is the one who use digital arts. Commercial arts are the result or product of digital arts. Our topic in PE is about Philippine Physical Activity Pyramid Guide. Philippine Physical Activity Pyramid Guide is a fun visual guide on how much and what type of activity you need for good health and fitness. The pyramid is divided into 4. At the bottom is the everyday activity, followed by 4 to 6 times a week, then 2 to 3 times a week, and last is cut down on. Let's study the pyramid chart below. For everyday activity, this should be done habitually. These are playing outside, walk with your pet, take the stairs, cleaning the house, walking to school, walking to the store, and work in the garden. Next activity should be done 4 to 6 times a week. It should be done regularly, and this is divided into two. First is the aerobic exercise, which is swimming, jogging, bicycling, and brisk walking. Next is recreation, soccer or basketball, and dancing. This activity should be done oftenly or 2 to 3 times a week, and it is divided into two. First is leisure activities, yard work, bowling, and billiards. For flexibility and strength, stretching or yoga, push-ups or curl-ups, and weightlifting. For the last activity, it should be cut down or done minimally. And these are watching TV, computer games, sitting for more than 30 minutes at a time. Remember, Physical Activity Pyramid Guide is only a visual guide for you to know how much and what type of activity you need for good health and fitness. Engage in physical activities every day will make you a healthy, lively, alert, and confident person. Because we're facing a pandemic, select an activity that is good to you. And don't forget to stay inside your house. Our lesson in health is about personal health issues and concerns. There are some common personal health issues and concerns that happens to many tweens and preteens. But before that, what is tweens and preteens? Tweens is often used to describe an age group of children that are between being a child and a teenager. Preteens is a stage of human development following early childhood and preceding adolescence. What are some health issues and concerns that young people should attend to at this stage in their life? These are letter A, height and weight, and letter B, hearing. What is height and weight? Stature or height is a measurement from the base of foot of a person to the top of his head. Body mass or weight is the amount of matter in the body, also referred to as body composition. BMI or body mass index refers to the combination of your height and weight, and this is the formula to compute your BMI. Let us have an example on how to compute our BMI. Imagine your weight is 45 and then your height is 1.29. So 45 divided by 1.29 is equals to 34.88. That is your BMI. This is the BMI scale. Here, we will identify in which category we belong. If we are less than 18.5, we are underweight. From 18.5 to 24.9, we have normal weight. From 25 to 29.9, overweight. And 30 and above, obese. Here are some problems which includes in height and weight. A. Stunted growth refers to having low weight to height ratio. B. Underweight refers to a person's weight is less than the healthy range for his/her height, sex, and age. C. Overweight means that a person's weight is more than the healthy range for his/her height, sex, and age. Letter D. Obesity means a person's weight is much more than healthy range for his/her height, sex, and age. The next personal health issues and concern is about hearing. The ear can perceive frequencies from 16 to 28 cycles per second. The three main components of the human ear, number 1, outer ear, number 2, middle ear, and number 3, inner ear. Here are some ear problems. 1. Otitis externa or swimmer's ear is an infection in the outer ear canal. Number 2, otitis media or middle ear infection is an infection or inflammation of the middle ear. Number 3, otosclerosis is a deafness due to hereditary disorder in the structure of the middle ear. Number 4, tinnitus is an ear problem where one experiences noises like buzzing, ringing, whistling, hissing, and other sounds where external sound is present. Number 5, impact cerumen or earwax for medical term is a result from the buildup of layers of earwax within the ear canal to the point of blocking the canal and putting pressure on the eardrum. To have a healthy body, always have your proper hygiene. Take good care of your body. Make sure to eat healthy food and be aware of what you are eating. For your homework, compute your BMI or body mass index and send it through our group chat.